everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I'm Laurie. I'm so happy you're here because today I'm participating in a Halloween Thrifted Finds Challenge. It's being hosted by Nicole at Nesting Haven and Erin from Gentle Thrifty Mama. I'm going to link both their channels below and make sure you check them out because they find some of the most amazing items. We were asked to go to thrift stores, yard sales, secondhand stores, anything where we could find Halloween decor, secondhand vintage items. And Nicole said that it was going to be difficult, but I didn't realize how difficult it was going to be. I guess people like to hang on to all their Halloween items because it was so hard to find things out there. However, I did find a few things and I'm pretty excited to show them to you. Before I start to show you all the really cool things that I did find, I wanted to say that if you're not yet a subscriber, I would so love to have you as a member of my YouTube family, and it's super easy. All you need to do is just click that little red subscribe button below, and if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video, just hit the little bell that's next to it. On one of my yard sailing trips, I was so excited to see these two little guys sitting, waiting for me to grab them up. They were only $1 a piece, and they're little trolls made by Russ. I couldn't find any type of date on them, but I was so excited. This is like a little vampire, and then we have a little Frankenstein. They're in super nice condition, and I can't wait to put them out from my Halloween decor. I was so excited when I saw them there. One of the other items that I found while I was yard sailing was this little banner. It is Kitty Cucumber and her friends out trick-or-treating. One of them was detached, but it was so cute, I had to pick it up. Not really sure what it is. I guess it's some type of a banner. I don't know a lot about Kitty Cucumber, but I thought this was super cute. And along with this came a Kitty Cucumber witch. I was so impressed. They were only $2, and it says that she is from 1995. I was so happy that right here, it's very fragile. I don't know if you can tell, but the top of her broom was still intact, and she's very, very clean. So for $2, I grabbed her up. I think she's just adorable. And like I said, she came along with this little banner here. I did look her up on eBay when I got home. I couldn't find her, but I did find the little companion Kitty Cucumber that is from Halloween, and that was going for almost $40. So my $2 find, I was pretty happy about. So one of the thrift stores that I went to had absolutely no Halloween at all. Nothing was there. But I looked in the book department and I did find this cute book, Casper the Friendly Ghost in Ghostland. And the best part about this is he is on his horse Nightmare. It's from 1969, and that's back when I was a kid. It's a little We Sing book, and there was a 60-minute cassette tape that went along with it. I'm sure that's long gone, but the book stayed intact. It is so cute. Let me see if I can just show you. It's just adorable. So I grabbed this up. It's not actually like a decoration or something, but it's Halloween-y, and I thought it was just adorable. I found this really weird item, but if you remember the 80s, you'll be like, oh yeah, I remember seeing those. Back then, people used to stick things on the inside of their car windows. I found this little, now what is it? Is it a duck or is it a rooster or a turkey? I have no idea. I originally thought it was a duck, but then I saw this little thing hanging. So I think maybe it's a turkey. I do not know. But back in the 80s, everyone would put these on the inside of their windows, and when you'd be driving down the street, I remember usually seeing Garfield, but there was like little stuffies looking out the window at you. So she's from 1988, so I'm sure she was on somebody's car window. Their little heads move so they could look in any direction they wanted, and I thought she was pretty cute. I was happy to find her. She was only $1. I'm guessing I'm probably not going to put her inside my Jeep, but she's cute, and I might just kind of sit her on a little table or something. But this was a pretty cute find. Yeah, I'm still not really sure what kind of animal this is. One of my finds was this candle holder. It's porcelain. I mean, I'm not sure how old it is, but I thought it was pretty cute, and I actually have a black cat, so I always love anything with black cats. It says on the bottom that it's made by Postscript. I couldn't find anything online about it. I know that they used to make items in the 80s. I'm not really sure. If you know anything about the Postscript company, if you want to let me know below in the comments, I would love to know. It did come with this lovely little cat candle. I paid 50 cents for it, and the candle doesn't really sit in there. It's kind of a wiggly candle holder. I'm not really sure if I can show you. It is made for a candle, but apparently not this candle. But it did come together as a little set, and for 50 cents, I just couldn't pass this up. At that same yard sale, I picked up also for 50 cents this glass globe, and it just has a little marching parade of Halloween people on it. I thought it was pretty cute. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it, but I really haven't seen too many globes with Halloween scenes depicted on them, so I thought this was a good find. And hey, for 50 cents, I'll find something to do with it. One of my Goodwill thrifting, I grabbed up one of their goodie bags that was $1.99, and inside I found these two little kitties. They're cute. They're definitely not old. One of them has a little imperfection on her hat, but I thought they were kind of cute, and they were Halloweeny, so I was excited to find them. And then inside the bag with them was this little witch. I fell in love with her. I'm not really sure what she's made out of. I think it's some type of a, I don't know, some type of like a paper or like a corn husk. I'm not exactly sure what she's made out of. She's very, very different, and there was great detail to her. On the back, I'm not sure if you can see, they actually put a little bit of like a webbing off her hat, and they have this nice little orange bow just hanging. I don't know, I thought she was kind of cool. I don't really know anything about it. It has no date on it. I just thought it was a neat piece. I haven't ever seen one before. So finding her in that $1.99 bag was a gift. This item I picked up at a yard sale. They had a free box. So of course, anyone that knows me, I see the word free, I'm heading over there to check it out. I don't have any idea what it is. I'm not even sure if it's old, but it said boo, and it is a ghost. So I grabbed him out of that box. I don't know if it was a light maybe way back when, one of those little lights that kids would carry around. He's kind of discolored. He's definitely sarcastic. He's sticking his tongue out, but I thought he was cute, and I don't know, I'm gonna stick him someplace, but for free, I had to take him home. My last thrift store that I went to, I was so excited that I actually found a vintage item that was new in the bag, so I'm going to show you. She's absolutely disgusting looking. She was $2.49, and I thought that I would just wait to open her on my video, so I didn't take her out of the package yet. I did look her up on eBay, and I believe she is a vintage doll head from the Derice company, or Derice company. I'm not familiar with them, but she was going for $10.99. I did see on eBay. I paid the $2.50, so I guess I got a deal. I thought I would open her up on camera so that we could all see how gross she looks together. I mean, if you're thinking about what a witch would look like on Halloween, this is definitely the witch for you. So let's see. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this little girl, but let's pick her in a bag. Oh, well, there you go. Okay, she's nasty. I think she's nasty looking, which is perfect for Halloween. I can see her on a broom. I don't know if you can see the profile. And on the back, she has some white hair. I would probably rather see green hair, but I'll take the white. And her nose is completely out of joint. So I don't know if that's the way she was born or somebody upset her. But this was my last thrifty find, and I think she was probably the best one. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my thrifty finds. I had so much fun participating in this challenge, and happy Halloween! If you haven't yet subscribed, all you need to do is click that little red subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell That will let you know every time I upload a new video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody!